Business is a wonderful thing, and it creates many impressions. But when does a business owner create an impression? Especially if you are a male. Uh, आपने सबने जेम्स बॉन्ड की मूवीज देखी होंगी एंड आई थिंक द बेस्ट पार्ट इज व्हेन ही डज दिस बॉन्ड माय नेम इज जेम्स बॉन्ड so dressed to kill is just not an expression, it's actually something that happens because the first impression that you create on your client or a would-be client or someone you meet is with the way you dress. How important it is to look to the best of your version because you are there to cast an impression and make an impression. And when you are dressed well, it expresses everything about you. It shows how disciplined you are, how methodical you are, how much you care about your looks. So definitely your deliverables, the client will look at it this way कि मेरा काम भी ये लोग इसी तरीके से करेंगे, right? But to dress someone is an art, and we have the expert with us over here, Abhishek Gandhi from, Videshi Studios, and also has a Raymond showroom in Paschim Vihar, who is one of the sponsors in the BOPL, that is Business Owners Premier League Season 5, Arvind Gupta Memorial Cricket Tournament, on the sets of the Great Indian Brand Show with all of us. Thank you so much, Abhishek, for being over here. Such a pleasure to have you.
Thank you so much for having us here, sir. And thank you so much to Anchet for giving us this opportunity.
Absolutely. And you are actually dressed to kill.
Thank you so much.
Put it
So
that way.
it's my way to express myself. So it's rightly said by you. Expressing yourself is the most important part. And your clothes talk a lot. And it's very important for a person to look good, to look good and express himself the way he dresses.
It feels
Yeah,
good,
it feels
when
good.
you wear
Yeah.
what you love. मतलब जब
exactly.
आपको पसंद हो जो पहना, like usually if you ever come across to my place, you will see me hanging around only in tracks and t-shirt. But outside where it's a business meeting, I love the three-piece attire. I love the ties. I have a very good tie collection. I hope this is as per your standard also. Since you
Yes,
are
you're looking great, man. You're also killing it.
since you're into the business, and I'm one of the people who is, who loves that business a lot. Anyway, so how long has it been since you've been into this work?
So it's been like 14 years I have been in this industry since the time of my college. So I have started to sit with my dad at the Raymond store. It's like a 32 years old store, I told you.
Yeah.
So that is the oldest store in the Paschim Vihar, and we are the biggest shooting counter of the North India. So it's like that. So after that, we opened up our studio, that is Videshi Studio. That was name kept by my dad. So his vision was to give me a platform on which I can succeed and do a thing. So we opened up the store in 2018.
Okay.
Yeah. So since then, I have been taking care of the Videshi studio, and my dad takes care of the Raymond store.
Well, that Raymond store, it brings me fond memories because I used to live in Paschim Vihar.
Exactly.
From 86 to 2005, I used to live in BG1, और हम लोग कितनी बार उस Raymonds के showroom में गए हैं, कितनी बार. So, well, you have an old customer sitting in front of you.
So it's been like always like this. So it's like 32 years, I told you. We have like, my dad started it from Karol Bagh, and it was just a small store. And from there, it's like, his experience is like 50 years now. So he's been working since he was 15 only. So there are many people who comes, my dad's dad got the suit stitched by you. So it's like that, and it feels very good after knowing that.
Nostalgic.
It feels really amazing.
So what is the area of specialization like? Like there are many brands out there. Apparel, we know there's so many brands out there. Is there something that you specialize and cater to so that people can say, अच्छा अगर ऐसा कुछ चाहिए, then Videshi Studio जाना बनता है.
Bilkul. So the main thing is our USP, which I focus on, is on the designing and the quality and the fitting we give. So it's being like if the fabric is good and the fitting is not good, there is no use of the suit.
There's no use.
So the fitting says a lot. So we are very specialized in our fittings and the customization we do. We do all the bespoke tailoring, So the fitting we give is the best one we give, and the quality we use is the top-notch quality we use.
Okay, so that means आपके जो masters होंगे, they must be like really, really seasoned well your team.
It's being like 32 years, I told you, it's being like 25 years. We have the same master,
Wow.
same everything.
That speaks volumes.
Yes, exactly. And on the Raymond store, my dad still did. He takes the measurement of each and every customer by his own. And at the Videshi studio, I'm the one who's taking. I have learned a lot from my dad, and I'm the only one who takes the measurements, give the personal touch to the customer, give the trials. So that's the USP we give.
Yeah.
So that's very important in our industry, in the service industry, that you have to be very, very personal. Like it's very
No,
like-
absolutely. See, आपको लग रहा होगा, you know, okay, it's a fashion brand, suit है, कहीं से भी ले सकते हैं. No, it doesn't happen like that. I'll tell you the reason why. You look at the Prime Minister of our country, he goes to the same tailor. You know, it is अपनी जिंदगी में अपना CA, अपना डॉक्टर, अपना वकील, and the one who drapes you, यानी कि अपना tailor, the one who tailor makes you. Never change that because they understand you better than anybody else. और वो जब आपको एक्सप्रेशन देते ना तो वो दिल से काम करके देते. That's what he's trying to say.
exactly the loyalty of the customer is very important, and
Absolutely.
we work on that. Like we have customer, they are coming from 35 years, 40 years, and they have shifted to outside India, and they call us, sir, please आप बना के stitches and आप भेज दो.
And आप भेज दो. Yeah,
And
yeah.
shift हो गए Gurgaon, shift हो गए Gurgaon. Many people shifted to Gurgaon in the starting. So we have many customers from everywhere around the world.
Right, right. Wonderful, wonderful. So I'll ask you a very pertinent question. Seeing the event that we have that is about to happen so soon, I think वो game start होगी हमारी March में, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes, March.
What prompted you to, you know, get attached to Business Owners Premier League?
So cricket is always very near to me. So it's every boy's first love we got in our childhood.
आपने
So
अभी शुरू करने से पहले भी बोला ना कि जल्दी करके 2 बजे मैच है.
मैच है सही बात है अभी मैच चल रहा है टूर्नामेंट इज ऑन एंड क्रिकेट इज ऑलवेज माय पैशन मतलब कि हर कोई चाहता है कि हर किसी ने सपना देखा होता है कि हाँ भाई हम इंडिया के लिए खेलेंगे पर लेकिन हाँ सब नहीं खेल पाते एंड इतना अच्छा भी नहीं खेलते थे ठीक है सही खेलते हैं पर लेकिन हाँ पैशनेट है सो ये था एंड अपॉर्चुनिटी लाइक sponsoring a event like this. It's a very big platform, and VOPL is very good platform to showcase my brand. So I want to showcase my brands. That's most important.
So are we going to expect any man of the match suits?
Yeah, for sure. We will doing that.
Just kidding.
No. We will doing that. That's a good idea. We can work on that.
Yeah, so why not? You know, probably you get a tuxedo if you are the man of the match in the final. You might really win something like that. So players look forward to some, you know, getting dressed on the field as well. You know, apart from playing, that's something really awesome.
Yes, for sure.
Yeah.
So we will be okay. Let's do this. So man of the match gets a suit from me.
Kya baat hai. There you see. Such a wonderful gesture from one of the sponsors. This is called, you know, being involved. Now, I want to ask one thing. Like, what do you think is the importance of such tournaments? You know, especially which are beyond the curriculum or the conventional cricket. You know, like business owners coming together. It's a milke kar rahe, like Mr. Ranchit and Mr. Dheeraj have simply stitched up a miracle. I would put it this way.
Yeah.
What would you like to say regarding that? How should industry cater to these tournaments, and how should people come forward?
So this industry is very booming right now. So this is one of the such a tournament they are providing. We have played 100 tournament, which was also organized by them. It's a very good networking platform. I must say every business owner should come and participate in this. It's very good networking platform, and you always learn something out of it. Actually,
Yeah.
so it's always about learning, and it's never ending process. You should come enjoy. Come enjoy, play,
क्योंकि सीखना बंद
network.
हो गया तो ग्रो करना बंद कर देगा
Yes,
इंसान,
exactly.
you know? And like I said, one of the episodes I said, you know, सारी मीटिंग जरूरी नहीं बोर्ड रूम में हो, क्रिकेट की पिच पे भी हो सकती है.
बिल्कुल बहुत पहले होता था कि आप गद्दी पे बैठे हो आपके पास धंधा आ रहा है पर लेकिन आज के डेट में आपको गद्दी छोड़ के जाना पड़ेगा तभी आपको धंधा मिलेगा
क्योंकि क्या होता है, सी व्हेन लाइक ब्रीड्स लाइक, जैसे कि आपका क्रिकेट का शौक है, मेरा क्रिकेट का शौक है, हो सकता है दैट माइट बी द बाइंडिंग फैक्टर टू डू बिजनेस टुगेदर. यू नो,
Exactly.
मे बी आप बात करते हैं फैमिलीज के बारे में, बात करते हैं, somebody has a pet, you have a pet, you are pet lovers. This is what binds you together as
Binds us.
business, you know, owners also, and you know, to work with each other. जरूरी नहीं है कि client और वो वाला जो conventional, you know, फाइल आगे करने वाला तरीका ही खाएगा लाइफ में. ऐसा नहीं होता, जमाना बदल चुका है. You need to participate and deep dive into these kind of things, right?
yes exactly rightly said
So what are the kind of industries that you are attached to?
so currently the currently we are providing the services to the wedding industry. So wedding industry is one of the most important for us. Then the daily wear corporate people who wants to wear the suits, shirts, trousers regular, and we are catering to the Bollywood industry as well. We have done some suits, Indo-Westerns, everything for the celebs like B Prak. We have done Badshah, Hardy Sandhu. We have done. Currently, we did a shirt for Harsh Gujral, the comedian, stand-up comedian.
Yeah.
So we have done a suit for a cricketer only, Mr. Kapil Dev.
क्या बात है?
So it's been like we have been like doing all these things. We have many celebrities, like 40 around celebrities we have done. So
Really
it's-
amazing. So, if I have to ask you this question, how can people network with you? How can they connect with you?
So they can connect me through Instagram. They can connect me through my number, and I am there in our stores in Paschim Vihar. And जहाँ क्रिकेट का टूर्नामेंट चल रहा हूँ वहाँ तो exactly.
And please pay attention to the addresses below on the screen. You can see how you can connect with Mr. Abhishek over here. And I would ask you one more thing. What is your word to fellow business owners who are participating in this tournament?
So I will.
कैसे करें आपस में नेटवर्क क्योंकि आप एक्सपीरियंस्ड हैं.
बिल्कुल सर, नेटवर्क के लिए क्या है कि मैचेस कोई भी चल रहे हो, किसी की भी चल रहे हो, यू एवरीवन शुड बी देयर ऑन द ग्राउंड. आओ नेटवर्क करो, इट विल बी वेरी गुड. बहुत सारे लोग आके इकट्ठे मिलेंगे तो अपने आप नेटवर्किंग होगी. सब अलग अलग इंडस्ट्री से आप ऐसे ऐसे बिजनेस ओनर से मिलेंगे तो आपको पता ही नहीं होगा ऐसा बिजनेस भी कोई एग्जिस्ट करता है. सो आप लोगों को जरूर ग्राउंड पे आना चाहिए, सबसे मिलना चाहिए, बात करनी चाहिए, एंड डोंट हेजिटेट. सबके सेम माइंडसेट है, सब क्रिकेट खेलने आ रहे हैं, बिजनेस करते हैं, सबका सेम माइंडसेट है. किसी को किसी से कुछ और कोई पॉलिटिकली या किसी को कोई कुछ नहीं करना. सो दैट्स द पॉइंट.
Where do you see BOPL going from here after season 5? आपको क्या लग रहा है कहाँ जाने वाला है?
Sir,
Because
after-
यहाँ तक इतनी बड़ी जगह पहुंच गए हैं लोग
पहुंच गए हैं
already.
बिल्कुल. इसके बाद मैं मतलब कि आई विश टू सी इट इंटरस्टेट देन गोज टू इंटरनेशनल. सो ऑल द बेस्ट टू अंचित एंड
Yeah,
धीरज भैया.
probably, if we do
Yeah.
something like that and ask, international business owners, so why not have a match with England that way? Then क्यों बता देगा तो this whole cricket में? Why can't we do that?
We can do that.
किसी के सींग नहीं लगे हैं, सब यही होता है, यहीं पे बैठ के सब सपने जाग के देखते हैं और उन्हें साकार करने की शक्ति भी रखते हैं, उतने सामर्थ्यवान भी है यहाँ पे. वो सभी व्यापारी यहाँ पे गए, धीरज और अंचित, दो लोग जिन्होंने इस सबको ये एक गुना है. This is something that brought this fabric together. I would
Exactly.
put it this in the fabric of BOPL, which has different strands of business owners, and that is enveloping the entire cricket field now. So, thank you so much for that wonderful word on BOPL, जो आपने बताया. One last thing that I would ask you, what do you think has been your success mantra all through your life, in your business, something that you can advise fellow business owners and even those who are in similar business?
So my mantra is just focus on your work and give it your 100% and take out the best out of you. So it's you always versus you, no one else. So just focus on your work and focus. That's it.
तो इसीलिए नो मिंसिंग ऑफ वर्ड्स ओवर देयर, स्टे फोकस, क्योंकि जब आप फोकस्ड होते हो तो आप अपनी राह से भटकते नहीं हो. यू नेवर गो अस्ट्रे. अपना लक्ष्य साधो, डगर पे चलते रहो, निरंतर प्रयास करते रहो. यही कहना है अभिषेक गांधी का, एंड दैट इज द वे यू विल बिकम अ विनर नॉट ओनली इन योर बिजनेस बट ऑल्सो ऑन द क्रिकेट फील्ड. तो मैं एक आखिरी सवाल उनसे जरूर पूछूंगा, सर, अगर ये आपकी टीम जीतेगी, आपको इसके ऊपर कितना विश्वास है?
सर पूरा विश्वास है, क्योंकि लास्ट जो इन्होंने टूर्नामेंट करवाया था सर ने 100 बॉल्स, हम उसी के विनर्स हैं.
सर आप अपने आप को तो गिफ्ट नहीं कर सकते.
कोई इशू नहीं सर. गिफ्ट क्या, उनसे गिफ्ट ले लेंगे.
that is something, yeah.
सो लास्ट टाइम के विनर्स हमें 100 बॉल्स के. सो इस बार भी हम होप कर रहे हैं कि हम ही जीतेंगे. सो आई विश ऑल द बेस्ट टू ऑल द प्लेयर्स एंड डू वेल. सो लेट द बेस्ट टीम विन द टूर्नामेंट देयर.
Let the best team win, and the man of the series, the best bowler, the best batsman, and the best fielder of the entire tournament, they all get suits from Videshi Studio, as committed and promised by Mr. Abhishek Gandhi, and thanks to me because I brought it up in the interview. Right? देखते रहिए The Great Indian Brand Show, निरंतर चलते रहिए और जुड़े रहिए BOPL Season 5 अरविंद गुप्ता क्रिकेट मेमोरियल टूर्नामेंट के साथ. मैं हूं सुदर्शन रामाकृष्णा चेटलूर। हम लोग 140 करोड़ की जनता नहीं, एक सपोर्ट सिस्टम है। एक दूसरे को एम्पावर करेंगे तभी आगे बढ़ेंगे। साथ देगा इंडिया तभी आगे बढ़ेगा इंडिया। अब जीतो भारत का दिल, जीतो इन बिजनेस ओनर्स का दिल, क्योंकि ये भी यहाँ आए हैं आपका दिल जीतने। मिलते हैं अगले एपिसोड में एक और स्पॉन्सर या टीम ओनर से, जस्ट लाइक मिस्टर अभिषेक गांधी। थैंक यू सो
Thank you
मच
so
सर।
much, sir.